Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Conversations for Beginners. In this series, we'll be learning basic English conversations that will help you in your day-to-day life. Today, we have two friends, Sarah and John, who will demonstrate a simple conversation. Let's get started.
Hi, John.
Hey, Sarah! How are you?
I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What have you been up to?
Oh, not much. I've been working and spending time with my family. How about you?
Same here. Work and family time. Hey, I was wondering, would you like to grab a cup of coffee with me after work today?
Coffee sounds great, John. I could use a little break. Where do you have in mind?
There's a nice coffee shop just around the corner. How about we meet there around 5 p.m.?
That sounds perfect. I'll be there at 5 p.m. Thanks for the invitation, John.
You're welcome, Sarah. Looking forward to catching up over coffee. Anything interesting happening lately, Sarah?
Well, I'm planning a trip to the beach next weekend. Would you like to come?
That sounds fun. I'd love to join you.
Awesome! We can have a picnic and play some beach volleyball.
That sounds like a plan. What time are you thinking of going?
Maybe around 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Perfect. I'll make sure to pack some snacks.
Great! I'll bring a beach umbrella and some sunscreen.
Sounds like we're all set then. I can't wait for the weekend.
Me too, John. It's gonna be a blast!
And that's it for today's episode of Daily Conversations for Beginners. We hope you enjoyed this simple conversation between Sarah and John. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your English and you'll get better every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.